Connecting Apple Vision Pro with the PS5 is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can connect Apple Vision Pro with the PS5. In order to do that, you need to do the first step is you need to connect your Bluetooth controller of your PS5 to your Apple Vision. So for that, as you know that you have to go to Apple Vision, go to Bluetooth and connect a controller. So how to enable Bluetooth on your PS5? You just have to hold press this PS button, and then you have to hold press this button. Afterwards, the white light will start blinking, which means the Bluetooth mode is enabled. You just have to connect your PS5 controller with Apple Vision Pro first. After that, you simply have to go to the PlayStation 5 and turn on the remote play, and then you have to go to Apple Vision Pro, and the Apple Vision, there is an option for mirror, or mirror play. You just have to go to that option, and then you have to merge your Apple Vision with the PS5 remote play. So afterwards, your setup will be done and you will easily be able to enjoy your PS5 on your Apple Vision Pro. Hope you guys find this video helpful.